Hello, my lovely friends. How are you doing? I'm back with a bang to Prankola podcast series with our gorgeous life coach, Mitali. Mitali, it's so nice to see you again. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Arpita. It's a pleasure coming and talking to you and your viewers. I enjoy coming on your podcast. So, yeah.
Thank you. Actually, this time when I requested you for your time for this podcast, it was actually, an SOS call from my side.
Okay.
So I thought I badly need some consultation from Mitali, and I will request her for this podcast, and I will get a free consultation is बात
Good.
मैं बहुत बदमाश हूँ
No, it's always
really.
good to hear different perspectives, and ultimately do what appeals to you. But it's always good to hear different perspectives across the spectrum. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for encouraging me, for opening up to you. Okay. Now, मिताली, मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है, मेरी लाइफ बहुत बोरिंग हो गया ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. आई got so bored of my घिसा पिटा लाइफ. हाँ, सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मिताली तुम्हारी लाइफ मेरे से बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो मुझे लगा अब मुझे कुछ नया कुछ करना चाहिए. ये पुराना आई मस्ट हैव सम चेंजेस इन माय लाइफ.
Okay.
सो मुझे लगा कि मिताली तो लाइफ कोच बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है मेरा उसकी लाइफ. तो मैं क्यों ना ट्राई करो लाइफ कोच बन जाने के लिए. तो आई थॉट मिताली तुम मुझे ये बताओ लाइफ कोच कैसे बनते हैं.
Okay.
ये बताओ.
So, firstly, life coaching is a highly unregulated industry at the moment in India. Okay, but ultimately, it's like how you go to gym to build your body. You basically go to a life coach to train your mind, and it is more like a coaching exercise. So, if you want to train in India, or anyone wants to train in India, you have the traditional MBA institutes like TISS and then even IIMs. They also offer coaching. They don't label it as life coaching. It is put under coaching and leadership. And there is
Oh,
something called as International Coaching Federation, ICF certifications, which I have done on a Udemy
okay.
platform, and I have also done with TISS. Okay, so I've trained with
Yes, it means this
yeah, yeah,
Tata is.
yeah.
Oh, they have life coaching
Yes, they
courses.
put it as coaching and leadership.
मिताली टेल मी फॉर गेटिंग एडमिशन इन टीएस और आईआईएम्स जो है लीडरशिप कोर्सेज सो फॉर दैट you have to give any sit for any admission test.
No, so here what happens? They have it online, right? So there are no entrances. They just do your background check, like how many years you have worked or what is your total work ex, and then you get selected. Because as I told you, life coach is a very internal journey. Or the option is International Coaching Federation, where you can register. Even Udemy has people skills. There are a lot of
Okay.
universities online also which sell this as a LMS. Basically it's an online platform where you learn it, and it's more in the MBA institute. They label it as coaching and leadership. Okay, and at an
Right.
international level, it is labeled more as a life coach, because abroad a human is valued in all aspects of his life. It is not
Right.
just work. So they will not
Huh.
label it only as coaching. They will say life coaching, because a human has multiple shades. It's not the work. But if you go and train under an MBA institute, they'll majorly see the life aspect is kept aside. Your career aspect is given the frontal this.
Right. Then what is the duration of this course?
So normally online it is self learner mode. It's in hours, 100 hours, 200 hours. And if
Okay.
you do it in any institute, normally they call you Saturday, Sundays. It runs for 6 months time if you take any coaching or a leadership program. Like I remember TISS offers counseling, PGDM in counseling and coaching. Now that's a proper 1 year course where people
Oh,
go train, but you don't need a psych background. You just need a basic graduation background.
okay. That's great. Means somebody, if they do not have a psychology background in graduation, but later on they realize they have a knack to work towards this psychological health field. So they can also do that, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
And
that's
apart from
excellent.
that, there is something called as neurolingual programming, mind programming, even those workshops are integrated in life coaching. But as I told you, it is not a regulated industry like, say, counseling. You need MA in counseling, clinical background. Only they can practice as a clinical psychologist and that they get a
Yeah.
number. This industry, as of now, is not regulated, but can get regulated in future is what I personally feel. It may get more streamlined, as the demand increases, as the need increases, as more people become self aware, they would want to lead a very holistic life. So then,
Right.
whenever there is a demand, the industry naturally gets regulated. So, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And you took the course from TIS,
Yeah.
and what
And
else
I
you have?
from ICF, it's like International Coaching Federation, ICF, that I did online.
Okay, that has international reputation,
Yes, like
recognition.
that. Yeah, yeah. So I had done it through Udemy and People Skills University in pandemic, okay? Because COVID time, my own life, I was battling lot of changes. So
Yes.
I wanted to nurture myself better. That's why I entered this domain. And
Oh,
since I had an MBA background, I
huh.
did that short-term course with TIS, like
Right, right. So actually, when you did this course to become a life coach, it was you wanted to do it for your own life
yes,
rather
yes,
than for helping others, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Fine. So, Mitali, tell me one thing. Then now you are practicing as a life coach also, na, parallelly with your
Yes,
other
yes, yes.
professions. So, for how many years you are doing this?
So I have been in life coaching for last 4 years. I started it in 2021. I did
Okay.
my Udemy and People Skill course that time, and I started to practice it because a lot of my astrology clients used to come to me, and everything can't be solved through astrology, or they wanted to lead a very holistic life. Because as I feel, it's an integration of different areas of your life. So I felt maybe I can give better value to my clients. So I integrated yoga psychology and life coaching together. As I told you, the industry is not regulated as of now. So it totally depends on what your client wishes to nurture about themselves. So most
Right.
of my clients are either battling food challenges, like how to eat healthy, or they are battling mind related things. I have a lot of students also who will say मुझे मन अस्थिर रहता है. So I had to mix a combination of yoga and life coaching. It's like how you go to a trainer and tell him what is your problem. You go to a life coach and tell I want to improve this area of my life. So help me improve this area. Like you told me, I'm bored, Mitali, right now. So I need to learn something new. So if you come to me as a client, I'll ask, how is your health? How is your relationship? If that all is fine, okay, maybe the boredom is just plain boredom. I don't need to deep dive further. Maybe you should nurture some hobby, learn something new. So you make a game plan basically for any client who comes to you. On the contrary, if it's a counselor thing, they are very serious medical problems, which I will not be able to tackle.
Right. For that, you need to have proper that clinical psychological
Yes, yes, yes,
background.
yes, yes.
Okay. This is basically like guiding people for different aspects, like you said, health,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
maybe career,
Career,
है ना?
yeah, yeah.
Then maybe coping up with school,
Yes,
college,
yes, yes,
like that.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So, Amitali, please tell me, can it be taken as a full-time profession?
Yes, if you have clients, it can be taken as a full-time profession. But since it's like a consultancy thing, right? Anything takes time to build on site,
Develop. Yeah.
develop. It's not going to happen overnight. Once you have a good client experience, they will refer you to more number of people. So I started purely as a hobby, and then because I got so many clients, I had to devote half of my day for all this. So it totally depends how the market responds to you.
Right, right, right. But I was thinking maybe there are so many homemakers, so they are doing other household activities, suppose like raising kids or anything, or there are some who do not like to work in a corporate office. It is like very grueling. You
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have any time for yourself. More than 12 hours you are spending outside. So you don't have enough time for taking care of your health and other things, your hobbies. So if somebody thinks like they want a work-life balance in her or his own way, and they have that financial flexibility, like they can take that challenge. So I think it's a part-time career. They can
Yes,
start
nurture it.
doing it.
Yeah. And then see how the market responds, to you. Like, because I never enjoyed corporate as a career much, I'm not someone who's suited for 12, 15 hours of work. So in morning I'm a professor, and then by evenings I do my one astrology client, one life coach client. But that also takes time. You have to be patient. It will not happen overnight. So homemaker
Exactly.
can start it on side and maybe see how the people respond. And 3, 4 years down the line, if you're good at your work, you will get client. End of the day, it is word of mouth. If you're offering good service, people will
Yes.
come to you. So yeah.
And it's excellent as work from home, right?
Yes, yes,
You
yes,
can work from home and you can take even workshop classes
yes,
just
yes.
from your home using your
Yeah,
laptop.
yeah.
You know,
And you will grow as an individual a lot. Most important.
exactly,
Because you're
exactly.
meeting such a wide variety of people. And I have learned one thing: the grass is always green on the other side. Those who are married will feel the single person's life is happening. Those who are single will feel the married person is happening. Those who have kids will feel the ones without kids are happening. So life coaching has taught me, आप जिधर हो, उसको basically you nurture that side of your life. As you said, I'm bored, Mitali. So you assume your life is boring and other person's life is very interesting. So life coaching teaches you that not to buy things at a surface level. आपको नहीं पता वो सामने वाले के लाइफ में कैसा चल रहा है. So it also makes you more grounded as an individual, and you lead a very holistic life. You're not caught in the rat race. You're not operating from a space of insecurity. It basically calms you down, is what I feel. Whenever I do a life coaching session or I make some yoga element in it, I in fact get more out of my client every time, because they tell me a problem and I feel, हाँ ऐसे भी issues हो सकते हैं लोगों को.
Okay,
Yeah.
right, right. And yoga training you took separately.
Yes, yoga training I had done from Santa Cruz Institute of Yoga. So I had done that 200 hours teacher training program. Like, again, you have
Right.
to train for 200 hours, then give a demo, then you
Ah,
get a certificate. That happens in the Santa Cruz Institute.
right, right, right.
So
It's
they
really
offer yoga psychology also, but that is more of a holistic psychology. So you can train. Some of them can train there as well.
okay. Okay. That Institute of Yoga and Psychology, that is under Bombay University,
No,
or
again, they operate as a proper yoga school. If you want to
oh,
do something under Bombay University, you will have to do proper MA in yoga.
oh, MA in yoga or MA in psychology.
Yeah, or
And I
MA
think
in
for
yoga.
doing, if someone is interested for doing a MA in psychology, then I think it's a must, na, to have
Yes,
psychology honors
yes,
for
you will need a
graduation.
BA psychology background, or some institutes, like I have an MBA in marketing and HR, right? So they will allow me to do these courses because I've done a master's in that. But you need a human psych background basically.
Okay, because you have an MBA in HR also, that's why
Yeah,
they will allow it.
yeah,
But if
yeah.
somebody has an MBA in marketing, then they will not be allowed.
They may not allow, or maybe they'll ask you to give some exams. So it totally
Right,
depends. Like clinical psychologist is out of question because you need a BA in psychology, okay?
right,
But all these courses, normally HR professionals or teachers or professors, normally they take up, and even
right,
homemakers take up. So this is the target audience which normally learns these
right.
courses, because we meet
Okay.
vast variety of people.
Right, right. And the difference with the clinical psychologist is that what I understand, if I am mistaken, you correct me, for clinic, when we go to clinical psychologist or psychiatrist, then they have to uh, identify some problem, some mental
Yes,
health
yes,
issues, a, typic,
yes,
a particular specific problem,
yes,
which is
yes.
deviated from normal, right? The
Yes,
symptoms.
yes,
And
yes,
in
correct.
this case, it's nothing like that. It is basically an
Coaching.
advisor, a trained
Yes,
advisor who
yes,
can
yes,
guide you properly.
yes. It's like a
है ना?
coaching. Abroad, they even call it coaching. Like you want to
Coaching.
coach.
हाँ,
Leadership coach is there, life coach is
right,
there, relationship coach is there. Someone who is
right.
good at coaching.
Right. Like what advice you cannot get from your parents because they are not trained in that direction
Yes, yes,
particularly. So you can have it from a
yes,
life coach.
yes,
And
yes.
when you take this coaching as a life coach, training as a life coach, then do they have separate like chapters or subjects like to be a life coach for career counseling, to be a
Yes.
life coach for okay. So for
There is
career
further,
counseling, health issues hai. Tell
yes.
me what
There
are
are some people who even do life coaching in family counseling, like those who
okay.
specialize in family relationships. I have done more on the health and mental well-being side. So because I
Okay.
had interest in yoga and I had that psychology human resource background, so I took that aspect. There are some people who have gone ahead and done the family counseling part
Maybe
also.
relationship counseling.
Yes, yes. So
Because
there are
in YouTube, I see there are many YouTubers who claim they are relationship experts.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so they
yes,
must be having that kind of some courses, right?
yes, yes. So every
Oh,
institute has its own course. Basically, these are all skill set driven courses. As I tell all my students also in college, there will be a time when degree may not be needed as long as you have the skill. Like if you have a basic grad, these are all additional skill sets which a person, if they learn or they imbibe in their life gets better, and a human
exactly.
and a human cannot pour from an empty cup. Only when you are fully nourished, you can nourish someone else. So,
This
life
is
coach,
your very uh, typical example, right? Your
yeah,
favorite
yeah,
example,
yeah,
empty cup.
empty cup. And women have this habit of pouring from empty cup. From my last 5 years of experience as a life coach, women in India are trying to get A+ grade in everything. उनको ऑफिस में भी नंबर वन रहना है, घर पे भी नंबर वन रहना है, बहू भी नंबर, आप नंबर वन हर दिन नहीं रह सकते क्योंकि आप मल्टीपल रोल्स कर रहे हो. So if maybe most of the women learn life coaching, they learn how to say no. And if they are happy, then only the family is going to be happy. What is the point of you struggling so much and everyone else is happy and you are miserable?
Exactly, exactly. Okay, I learned so many things, and I'm sure many of my viewers will benefit from this discussion, because this kind of, we don't know, I really didn't know all these things. And I had this thing, inquiry, like I developed so many inquiries inside me. That's why I was so desperate to talk to you. And tell
Yes,
me, Mitali, so as you said, the life coach, while taking this training, you yourself, you were so much benefited, right? So
yes.
now as you are now practicing as a life coach for about 4 years, so what do you think, who is benefited more, the giver or the taker
So
ultimately?
I always feel it is the giver who learns more, because taker has a specific problem which you cater to. I have some people who are battling, say, infertility, like for years these women are not able to conceive. So I know the challenge. I may not understand the medical aspect of it, but I do know how painful it is for a woman when she doesn't conceive. Then I have a student who is struggling because they get very nervous before the exams. So I'm getting wide variety of issues. I've seen so many women not able to find partners for themselves. So
Yeah,
I learn more, because every person comes with a different problem set to me, and we work together with a solution.
exactly. And I think and this process gives you the lesson that life is nothing but problem, and it's absolutely perfect to have
Yes,
problems. It is
yes,
absolutely perfect to have your life full of
yeah,
imperfection,
yeah, yeah. And I
right?
also feel थोड़ा तकलीफ होना भी चाहिए. That will motivate you to do something in your life. Like I'm not saying all struggles are needed, but some struggles are needed in your life. Little amount of discomfort. पेन। आप जिम भी जाते तो पहला 2 हफ्ता तो बॉडी दर्द करता है ना, इसका मतलब है आप सही वर्कआउट कर रहे हो। इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन योर करियर मीन्स यू विल डू समथिंग टू चेंज योर करियर और अपलिफ्ट योर सेल्फ। So
Yes,
yes,
exactly.
yeah. And
Okay.
also
Hmm.
life coaching nurtures your mind to stop cribbing, because you realize people have so many problems, you're not the only
Yes.
one.
Life is nothing but problem. है ना? So problem, if you think it as a problem and if you
Yeah,
accept it, life is like that. इसके बीच में happiness भी बहुत सारे हैं, छोटे छोटे
yeah,
खुशियां भी ढूंढनी है
yeah. And
है
be
ना?
with animals, you know, I always feel if you nurture relationship with animals you will be happier. So this is my free life coaching advice to everyone. आप दुखी हो, रहिए दुखी, कोई बात नहीं. Go feed a stray animal. Take care of a cat. Towards the end, the giver, that is, you are going to be happier than the animal. You know, like कुत्ता भौंक रहा है,
Actually,
भौंकने दो उसको. क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? उसको पानी पिलाओ, शांत करो. Feed that dog. You know, maybe you both will develop a bond after a while.
यस यस, अगर आपके लाइफ में 3-4 रिलेशनशिप तो होता ही है ना, मतलब जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है बहुत, 3-4 लोग ऐसे होते हैं, तो ऐसा 3-4 रिलेशनशिप जो आपके ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ है, एटलीस्ट एक रिलेशनशिप आप ऐसा कोई एनिमल के साथ रखो जो
Yes,
ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है
you
है
will be
ना?
happy. You will be very happy,
यस
and that relationship
यस
may be the best relationship of your
यस
life.
यस Right. Ajay, Mitali, tell me one thing. As a life coach, your happiest and saddest experience.
Okay,
Share
so
with us, please.
my happiest experience was of a woman who was trying to lose weight and she was battling PCOD. Okay, so she was battling weight gain as a challenge. She was working 12 15 hours a day. It was her lifestyle basically which was adding to her problems. So I just helped her to tweak her lifestyle. You know, I just told her start saying no at office. मुझे निकलना है 6 बजे, निकलना है. देखो तो सही नौकरी जाता है कि नहीं जाता. So she said, Mitali, just because I was so scared, I used to sit till 8:39 in the office. And nobody, in fact, even asked me to wait every day till 8:39. It was my own guilt which used to make me stay long hours, you know, at
But
work.
with her, other people were also staying, right?
Yeah. So she said, I started leaving on time. Nobody stopped me. Ki, why you're leaving? And she said, I started taking care of my health. You know, evenings I started walking. And all 90% of her health ailments were because of her lifestyle and this inability to say no at work. Maybe she said I started telling them 6 to 8 is my me time. I'll log in again at 9:30, 10. So that 2 hours of me time which she was denying herself, I just nudged her to ask for it. Often we are very hesitant to even ask for help
Yeah. Yeah.
because we feel what will people think. People don't think. We think that people think a lot about
Right.
us. So this was my personal habit, and she conceived towards last year's end. You know, so I've seen a very positive journey. She cribbing, then she taking care of her health. Today she is a mom. You know, so I've seen that beautiful journey of a woman. And my saddest life coaching sessions are when I see girls struggling to find a life partner and the parents pushing them, and then they taking a miscalculated decision and then regretting it. I feel in India we literally torture our daughters as far as marriage is concerned. So the like if she willingly wishes to get married, please encourage her, but don't make it like a do or die situation, you know.
No, yeah, no, maybe the daughter is interested to get married,
Yeah,
but get married to the right
right
person.
person, yes.
And the right person is not so easily available. That is
Yeah,
the
so
problem.
it's a
Hmm.
rat race, and I see students struggling before exams so much. So these are my saddest things. When I see students struggling a lot, and when I see ladies struggling to find partners, which they wish to find, you know, and then that pressure, you will always take a wrong decision. Be
So
here.
have you not encountered any boy, a man struggling to find partner like this?
Yes. I have had a male client who uh, is actually a government officer. So a lot of them will feel इसका तो life set है, सरकारी बाबू है, इसको क्या दुख है. So he battles a lot of politics at work, you know. So I introduced him to spirituality and connection with God. So slowly he stopped obsessing about the politics which happens at work, you know. So men normally don't seek therapy in India because again the mindset is such इसको मर्द को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कीप द इमोशंस इनसाइड. बट आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज सच अ हाई रैंकिंग गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल इज हैविंग चैलेंज, यू नो, बिकॉज नॉर्मली इन इंडिया ऐसे ट्रेन किया जाता है ना, सरकारी नौकरी मीन्स लाइफ सॉर्टेड है. सो ही वाज लाइक, मिताली आई डोंट गेट स्लीप ओनली इन द नाइट. So I've seen that, and then he working on his health, he working on his ability to cut noise, developing a relationship with God, spirituality. So I've seen a complete sea change in a man
Okay.
also. So I've seen a
Okay.
lot of positive stories. It's just you have to be patient. It No change happens overnight. It takes at
So
least
this
good.
person was struggling to find life partner also.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yeah. So he
Oh,
was
at the
battling.
same time.
So on paper everything is fine with this
हाँ,
person.
ठीक ठीक
Like
ठीक.
जो
आजकल
traditional.
कुछ टीवी प्रोग्राम में ऐसा देखते हैं कि बोल रहे हैं कि सरकारी नौकरी वाला लड़का चाहिए.
Yeah, yeah. And this poor guy is stationed somewhere in West Bengal all by himself. He's like, I'm all alone half of my life. People don't see the dark side of a government job. I'm posted in different places. So I feel both the genders are struggling. It is not only the feminine or the masculine. People just have stopped asking help from
Yeah.
each other, and the humanness is reducing day by day because of all these gadgets and phones. I told
Right.
you, right? Even if you develop a relationship with a plant or animal, you will be happier. You're just not developing any sound sustainable
Hmm.
relationships. Like I started gardening. Like मेरे घर पे जोक करते थे, मिताली ने झाड़ लगाया मतलब मर जाएगा वो, guaranteed है, because she's so hyper. Then I took it up as a challenge, and Arpita, you will not believe, last 2 years I've managed to survive my plants. So every day, in that worry, I'll go and see, ah, mera jhad jinda hai na, okay, he's alive. And I learned a lot of things, like you should keep your trees together. They cannot live alone. They help
Yeah,
each other to grow.
yeah,
If you
yeah.
touch them and talk to them,
Yeah,
they are better.
yes,
Yes, so I've
exactly.
tried all this, and if you play with, say, mitti, that smell of water, you feel happier. So I've
I
personally
feel so
tried all this.
happy.
Before
Yes.
advising anything to my client, first I try all the mini experiments on me. So if they are successful on me, then only I advise someone, Baba, tum karke dekho. So yeah.
Right. Okay. तो मिताली ये बताओ, एक लाइफ कोच होने के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिटीज होना चाहिए किसी में?
So
That is
firstly,
also very important, right?
you have to be very empathetic, not sympathetic. Empathetic, listen, develop good listening skills, and don't immediately offer solutions. Give solutions one at a time. Is what I feel. ट्राई करके देखो एक सोल्यूशन, उसको शायद 4-5 सोल्यूशन का जरूरत भी ना पड़े, एक ही सोल्यूशन में उसका प्रॉब्लम. लाइक दैट लेडी whom I said, all she had to do was take 2 hours out. I did not give her too many things. डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, ये करो वो करो. I said, सिम तुम घर टाइम पे जाओ बस 1-2 महीने. So,
Okay.
like, try, have a very solution oriented mindset,
Oh,
and
okay.
keep confidentiality of your client. Like, don't name your clients. You can describe their problems, that's fine. This relationship works on trust. So, respect that trust. So, yeah, if you have these 5-6 qualities and have a good intent, definitely you will be a good life coach.
Okay. And what is the difference between being sympathetic and being empathetic?
So sympathy operates from a space of pity. You don't do anything about it. अरे बहुत बुरा हुआ उसके साथ, आपने क्या किया कि उसका दुख थोड़ा कम हो. Sympathy is like a gossip emotion. Pity.
Oh,
Empathy is like you really feel bad for that person and you wish well, and if you can help and if that person wishes to
okay.
seek your help, you'll offer help. Empathy is more proactive and more positive as a emotion.
Okay, right. So, Mitali, as per your numerology, I always stumble on. As per numerology, can you, from someone's date of birth or something like that, with what you work, so can you say कि this person will has probability to become a good life coach or not?
Now, most of the healers, life coaches, and or even psychiatrists and psychiatrist patients are number sevens. That is me, 7, 16, 25. Then number twos, 2, 11, 20, 29. 7, 2,
211, let me write 2, 11,
2029. Okay, so
अच्छा,
two
तो ये
series.
क्या होगा, डेट कैसे होगा, मतलब बर्थ डेट?
Birth number, starting number of your birth. Like suppose you're born on say 20th July, so 2 plus 0 2. So number 2s are good life coaches, number
Oh,
7 are good life coaches, and number 6 and number 5. So these four
what about
numbers.
number 8?
Number 8, they cannot show empathy. They're very helpful people. But most of the number 8s cannot show empathy. They're very tough. Like Saturn energy, na? So वो solve करके धक्का मार के बाजू जाने वाले and this requires a nurturing kind of energy, which I see in number 2s, number 5s, number 7s, and number 6. So these numbers normally end up becoming healers or psychiatrists or life coaches. This is my observation.
Right. Excellent. And Mitali, another thing, like in our country, still there is lot of, that barrier, mental barrier when to go for seeking help from a psychiatrist or from a psychologist. But I don't think, do you think there is some mental barrier for seeking help from life coaches also?
No. Actually, life coaches, lot of mental health patients end up coming to life coach because of the stigma attached going to a psychiatrist or a psychiatrist, like
Right.
psychotherapist or a psychologist. So a good life coach, will try and direct them there because that problem requires a more specific approach. Say a bipolar or say schizophrenia. A life coach may not be equipped to train or treat them because they don't have a MA psychology or MD psychiatric degree. I have got patients, especially bipolar and anxiety patients, whom I have diverted to psychiatrists, not because I can't help them, because I feel they deserve to go to the best who can genuinely help them quicker. And once they have healed, they can definitely come back, take proper coaching, but
Exactly. And at least you can
guide them.
you can train them, you can make them ready to go to the
Doctors.
psychiatrist and
Yes,
psychologist. No?
yes,
So,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Excellent. So I think it's a quite interesting profession for those who are interested in this field, of course.
Yes,
And
yes.
for many of my listeners, I think it's they should note that they can work from home. That is
Yes.
excellent. They can take up as a side profession.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
And if they do not have much financial challenges, so they can definitely
Nurture.
think in this line.
Yes.
And for the necessary certification and all, they can online search for T site, Tata
Yes.
Institute of
Yes.
Social
But this
Science site.
offers as a coaching. This is more on the management side. I will advise them to see the International Coaching Federation, ICF, which is there on Udemy and People Skills University. So these two universities, and of course, yoga psychology will also help. So these four have helped me a lot personally. So yeah.
Your psychology from Santa Cruz.
Yes, Yoga Institute. So yeah.
Institute. Acha. Okay. That's excellent, Mitali. And to wrap up, what more I have written my all questions. Yeah, I summed up everything.
Okay.
What to do for becoming a life coach. And yeah, I had one question for you. It is totally you're related to totally you. You have Mitali. I know Mitali as a professor, Mitali as an astrologer, Mitali a Bastu consultant, and Mitali a life coach. Okay, and Mitali a yoga instructor also. That is the
So
first one.
yoga, I do it as my hobby. That is one thing which I've not trained anyone in. So
Right.
I do it for myself. So yeah.
Oh. So these four types of Mitali, okay, four variants of Mitali. If you have to grade 1, 2, 3, 4, as per your priority or as per your liking, rather, as per your liking, so or as per your love. So how you will grade Mitali
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4?
So Mitali really likes actually life coaching and astrology at top. Okay. And
Okay.
because I come from a family of overachievers, doctors, I ended up becoming a professor. I enjoy that. I'm not denying that. That I'll put at a number 2 then Vastu, and then fourth will be this, numerology. But majorly, I enjoy reading astrology and life coaching. I really enjoy seeing people's life and seeing how humans behave. That is one thing which I really find exciting.
Yes.
And professorship I like because, again, nurturing young students. So, this is my ranking preference, Yeah.
Okay, excellent. And I think like my viewers will also understand that how good a life coach you are, because when I talk to you, this is our third podcast, and
Yes.
they can see the exchange of energies, the
Yes,
energy
yes.
level is
I
quite high.
always tell my students also, हंसते हंसते लेक्चर आइए, ये ऐसा सड़ा हुआ मुंह बना के मत आइए, आज नहीं करना है मत, हम दोनों नहीं करेंगे, because the output is not going to be good for either you or me. So I told you also, Arpita, relax, the podcast will happen at whatever time. If required, we'll do it at 2 a.m. in the night. But you and I both need to be mentally happy and physically present when we are doing this. Then only the output is good. So, yeah, I
Right.
wish your viewers well. And if not anything, it will help them to nurture themselves well.
Yeah, yes. Definitely. And there are many times, there are especially women or men also. Sometimes they are on sabbatical. They're sitting at home because maybe
Yes,
they are trying for job, or
yes,
women sometimes take sabbatical. So
yes,
in this meantime, this is something very interesting. You can
yes,
uh, make your you can increase your
yes,
qualification. You can
yes,
read, you can
yes,
study these, take
yes,
certification courses. No, that will
yes,
be so much rewarding for yourself. Am
yes, yes,
so
yes,
that is lovely, Mitali. You are so many things to learn, and from you, this energy of yours, like I can spread to my viewers. That is
yes,
lovely,
yes. Love
lovely.
and lot of peace in people's life. I've stopped saying money and all that. I want peace and happiness for people. The
Yes.
world needs more of happiness and peace currently is what I feel. So I wish that for your viewers, Arpita. Okay? It was a pleasure talking to you. Take care.
Thank you so much. You take care too. I love you so much, Mitali, and all the best.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.